how to pair a replacement remote control if yours gets broken or lost. You will need the replacement radio control along with the CCS password that was sent to you with the delivery of the crane, or your own CCS technician code. The first step in the procedure for the replacement of the remote control is to get the group and the address off the replacement radio. To do this, you want to turn on the radio control until you can see the group and the address. The final step in the procedure for pairing a remote control, after you have the channel and the address, we want to come over here to the CCS, hit enter. We want to scroll down to where it asks you for a password. Hit enter. This is where you want to go ahead and type in the crane password or the CCS technician password. This is the procedure that needs to be done if you have 1.13 version. Okay, so confirm the password. After we have the password, we want to go up to mounting and hit enter. Scroll down to configuration and hit enter. Scroll down until you see radio control and hit enter. And receiver will be the first step, hit enter. We want to make sure that our group shows 4. Hit enter. Scroll up to 4. You'll get a check mark. Hit escape. Go back down to transmitter and hit enter. Now we want to scroll down to address to where we type in what the address is on the remote control. Once you have the address in, you'll get a check mark. At this point, you can hit escape until you go back to the main menu. And that is the final step in pairing the remote control with the CCS. Thanks for tuning into this episode on Manitowoc Garage. Be sure to come and watch some more of our videos in the future.